Hey there, everybody! Today we're diving into the world of making money from home with postcards. That's right, you heard me correctly. Postcards. It might sound unusual, but some folks are saying you can make serious cash just by sending out these little pieces of cardboard. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars a week. So how does this whole thing work? Well, it's all about getting your message in front of the right people. Think about it. Postcards are eye-catching, and everyone loves receiving mail that isn't a bill. Am I right? By sending out postcards with a compelling offer or advertisement, you can potentially attract customers and generate leads for your business. Whether you're selling products, services, or even just an idea, postcards can be a surprisingly effective way to reach your target audience. But hold your horses, folks. Before you run out and buy a truckload of postcards, there are a few things you need to know. Like any business venture, it takes careful planning, effort, and a sprinkle of good old-fashioned hard work. Okay, so you're intrigued by this whole postcard money-making thing, and you're ready to give it a whirl. First things first, you need to figure out what you're going to offer. Are you going to sell products online? Provide local services like dog walking or house cleaning? Or maybe you've got a brilliant idea for an online course or coaching program. Whatever it is, make sure you're passionate about it because that enthusiasm will shine through in your postcards. Once you've got your offer down pat, it's time to design your postcard. Make it colorful, eye-catching, and most importantly, clear and concise. You want people to instantly understand what you're offering and how it can benefit them. Don't forget to include a clear call to action, like visiting your website or giving you a call. Now for the million-dollar question, how much is this going to cost you? Well, the good news is that postcards themselves are relatively inexpensive, especially when you order in bulk. You can also find affordable printing services online. Of course, you'll need to factor in the cost of postage, but there are ways to save money there too, like using bulk mail rates. All right, now for the part you've all been waiting for, the success stories. Because who doesn't love a good rags to riches tale, right? The internet is teeming with stories of people who claim to have made a killing with postcard marketing. Take Lisa, for example. She was struggling to make ends meet, working 2 jobs. She stumbled across postcard marketing and decided to give it a shot. She designed a postcard offering her services, printed a few hundred copies, and sent them out. And guess what? Her phone started ringing off the hook. She landed several clients, quit her second job, and now she's running a thriving business. Section 4. Earning potential from hundreds to thousands. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much money can you actually make from this whole postcard thing? Some folks claim to make a few $100s a week, while others say they're raking in thousands. Postcard marketing can be surprisingly effective if you're consistent. Treat it like a real business. Have a solid plan, track results, and adjust your approach. And most importantly, be patient. Success takes time, but with persistence, you can achieve amazing things. Section 5. A word of caution, don't jump the gun. Now, before you rush out and spend your life savings on postcards and postage, let's take a deep breath and talk about the elephant in the room caution. While postcard marketing can be a legitimate way to make money, it's important to be aware of the risks and potential downsides. First and foremost, like any business venture, there's no guarantee of success. You could invest time, money, and effort into creating a killer postcard campaign and still come up empty-handed. The market can be unpredictable. Competition can be fierce, and sometimes things just don't go your way. That's just the reality of entrepreneurship. Secondly, be wary of anyone who promises you'll get rich quick with postcard marketing. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There are a lot of scams out there preying on people's desire to make easy money. Do your research, ask questions, and don't be afraid to walk away if something feels fishy. Finally, remember that postcard marketing is just one piece of the puzzle. It's not a magic bullet that will solve all your financial problems. To build a successful business, you need a great product or service, a solid marketing plan, and a whole lot of hustle. Section 6, conclusion, your postcard adventure begins. So, there you have it, folks, the ins and outs of making money from home with postcards. It's a simple yet potentially lucrative business model that anyone can try. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of heart to make any business a success. If you're willing to put in the work, be patient, and never give up on your dreams, then postcard marketing might just be your ticket to financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? grab some postcards, unleash your creativity, and see where this exciting adventure takes you. Who knows? You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. And remember, as my mama always said, nothing ventured, nothing gained.